active, very valuable to the floor. TM2, God Chief, you are welcome this morning. TM2, Recrow, Recrown, TM2, welcome to the floor. Brain what? Brain boss, brain power. Oh, brain power 2000, TM2. Rich waiting, rich Kenk, TM2. BOG, TM2. I am justified. TM2. I'm justified also is an amazing member, very consistent. TM2, my brother. Welcome this morning. Savior Park, TM2. Gozie himself, Gozie Plutopi, TM2. Amazing member, active, consistent, valuable in the floor. Gozie TM2. Even while I was working yesterday, I guess I can cite that Gozie was with us throughout yesterday night. TM2. Your activeness, your contribution, your proactiveness to keep pushing the vision and the mission, the vision, mission, and movement. We will never take all this for granted. GM to you, Sagoze, Ohams, GM to you, Emmanuel, GM to you, Show, GM to you, Satan, GM to you, Dr. Lucky, GM to you, also an amazing member, very active, not so active, but consistent. GM to you. I was calling you yesterday to come up, and also I'm also challenging you today, Doctor, you don't run. I want to see you again. Okay, Doctor, you don't run. Dr. Lucky, you are here. I think you tagged us 2 days ago how you make an entry, and that entry gave you like 600%. Please, if you can request for the mic. Also, we've been saying it, but also come and tell us how you manage your trade, how you manage that trade. You are not fearful. There's no spirit of fear, and you are confident to take profit at that level. There's a massive move. That should be around 20 to 30% more on your point of entry. So, GMT, Dr. Lucky, consistency, I can cite you, but attach it with activeness, right? Press for the mic, come on, and give us your experience, right? That is Dr. Lucky. Casey Fresh, 83, GMT. Road Miracle also has been very, very consistent. We've been seeing you here. Thank you very much. Mutawaki, Ghanaian brother, how are you doing this morning? TM to you. Mutawaki, an amazing member of the floor, very active, consistent, and resilient. TM to you. Welcome. Adisoji, Sadiq, Ace. We chose another amazing members of the house, great members of the house, very valuable, a sport trader, but always contributing and giving his 2 cents. We choose it, we recognize you, and we appreciate the consistency, the contributions, the comment. The house, TMT. Reggie TMT, always consistent as well. Deal that, yeah. Anything goes, GM2. Alright. GM to everybody, GM to every trader. Welcome to the CTNG West Trader Trading. Welcome our amazing members of the floor. We are all analysts, no special analysts here. We are all analysts. Welcome all traders to the floor. Welcome to the floor. From my end here, we are at 5:84 a.m. Nigerian time, West African time, WAX. Alright, being 25th of July 2025. Request for the mic. Come and tell us what you see in the markets, what's your opinion, what you see. Please, I beg of you, just be active. Don't leave this work alone for me. Right? This is my best contribution I think I can give to the floor. Right? And the boss himself is not really feeling fine. We also need drugs to take. Taking those drugs, we also need rest. For those drugs to be active, for those drugs to work. And every one of us are also praying for quick recovery. So hence, since we are doing that, what are we expecting to do? We are expecting to give our best active participation on this floor and make sure that the floor keep going. In as much as it keep possible passion, it keep opening the floor for us to buy, for us to interact, for us to ask questions and grow in the process. That's why it's opening the floor. Right? And as well, do not open this floor. Maybe each of gonna wait until it get better for you. And as well do that. But because of the passion of that, the passion we have, we want everybody to keep, we want continuous learning from every individual. And what do we have to learn? So, you know, say for year, my English don't do like I use to. But yeah, we always talk and say, apart from your chat, for now, there are quality individuals that you need to learn. If you close like this, you are not patient, you are on this floor, going to adopt the spirit of patience. You are not hardworking, you are lazy, or more. You understand? If you are on this floor, you will see reason why you should be hardworking. If you are not consistent, you're on this floor, that's why you are same reason why you should be consistent. If you are not confident enough, you will see reason if you are on this floor why you should be consistent. Now, there are valuable people here can learn one or two values from them. So hence, it is not only your chat, right? Learn other things from different amazing members you have here, right? Once again, welcome everybody. Welcome to Trading Plus City World, Spirit of Trading. Welcome, and we recognize your presence. Without you, there's no us. Without us, there's no you. All right? So we work as a group. If you want to go far, a quick reminder. If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go with team. All right? Let's bear that in mind. And a very quick one. Remember, just like Bobby said, be careful while you are trading. You are longing, know where to take profit. You are shorting, know your target point. Be realistic with yourself. Be realistic with your conscience. Is this my TP realistic? Is this my entry zone realistic? Ask yourself different questions before you make an entry, before you make an exit. Manage your trade constantly. Do not rush to close any trade. Ensure, right? This is our value now, okay? I'll be reminding us. 1, don't get attached. Don't get too attached to your trade. 2, be realistic to your TP. 3, risk according to your risk tolerance. 4, analyze instead of rushing to close your trade, meaning that analyze and reanalyze. Manage your trade in the process. I'm longing, manage it to your TP. I am shorting, manage it to your TP. Right? 6, learn to set your trade a little bit. Go on your regular work. Go and do your regular job. And don't be glued. Just learn. It is not one day thing, but keep learning it. Right. So that's a quick one for us to remind ourselves why we are looking for opportunity to tap in. Mind you, AMD, just like Satovi have said, what is AMD? accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. Right? So we might be experiencing accumulation in New York session. I think the New York session have commenced already. Right? This is 9 a.m. New York session have commenced. We have a sideway market. So manipulate, right? So let's be very careful. And cryptocurrency. Most info. I wake up and they see down the way long for my head will come there. Where we they go now? We they go 90. When I give analysis, you never can tell, but presently it's reacting within the first phase of gap that was created. That was around, currently it's reacting around 115 to 228. Right? For me, I want to see it to move down to 113. That is the mid range of that gap, 113. Okay. The exit of that gap, the extreme of that gap, that is first gap, 111.942. All right. Okay. But don't be surprised. What if the market now pushed direct and we found ourselves 100? It's a top the house discussion. Well, it's possible because that is the extreme end for me. If I want to look for an entry, for example, my POI should be where this price broke from. And where this price broke from, the candle that caused that break, that caused the origin of this break, was that candle that was formed on 8th of July. So, and there we have a fair value gap around that area, around the level of 110, around 110. Yes, and that place will break out. Yeah. Okay. And we also have another one around 107, 108 thereabout. So that has been my point of interest. I wait patiently. I'm not going to. Now, for people that trade gaps, you might want to be trading this gap, trade it, take profit, trade it, take profit. But if you don't know how to trade it, no put body, because they will catch you, they will wipe you 4 by 4. Right? So, what's info? Yeah, bro. But your syrup, alpha. I leave them when I see what they happen. But waiting happen. So still catch the go back to it. Now because of you, I open and gone today. Okay. Go back to it, go and check it. That zone where we mark, come there, we test that zone, clear up all the liquidity. And last 4 hours close with a topping K or an inverted bullish hammer. It's a sign of a rejection. So it might be ranging along this line, along this range. What's the info if you are there? Yes, I'm here. You don't open the chat. Let me open. See you up. Because I see the market just turn visible. Also, guys, a quick reminder, we're going to, based on what Sautina also said, we'll see opportunity, please. I will always, for all those coins that we called, if I see opportunity, I will also ask us to make an entry. Opportunity, we can do a live trade. Enter one of them that I called yesterday, Voxel, VOXEL. This is the coin that I trade mostly. And because of what I've seen, the reaction I'm seeing, I've already made that entry. I think I made that entry late yesterday night because that zone is a key level for me. And I don't expect that zone to break as soon as possible now. I've been expecting that zone. And why? Another confluence is that I expect price to go and retest those imbalances that was created before the drop. So that is TP1, TP2, TP2, right? For those of us that follow the token, can as well do a follow-up. If you are in that trade, fine. If you are not, no wahala. Don't chase. We're going to look for another pair. All right. All right, Mosifo.
Yes, I'm here.
Mosifo, no rug.
I hear you.
Yeah, I hear you now. I think I saw Hot Chief. Hot Chief, how far away you did? When you come up? Today.
No worry. We're good.
Because if you ever set up before you come space, have you? No set up.
Oh, why? You don't wake up.
You don't wake up. You don't come set up before you come space. Yeah, I already set up. First for Mike, I would have set everything up to that. On to.
The closing from the Dutch. So.
Alright, while we wait for Mosinfo, guys, please do well to request for the mic and let's make the space and the club very, very interactive.
Okay, I don't know. Yeah.
If you don't come out, waiting will drop because me, I know they come out time. I've told you this. I might keep emphasizing. If I do any analysis on any token, all my trend line will still be here. Alright. You see the level we drew was what is the base level? I said okay, I don't put this thing, but I put extreme. Of course, applies my come to retest the high that was created. And what is that high? The high. Those people, I don't know who called this token for here.
Not the person who call out again.
I see. If we want to be doing this way, then I don't think we should be profitable. I think what the person said is that you understand what the market is doing, he left the market. Now, the zone I actually drew, I drew a zone where we have the pump that give us the high of what is the high that give us 0.65. That was the high that was given. All right. Now, that means this was the zone that caused this push. And there was a break of structure to the upper side as this move continued. All right. Hence, this is our demand zone. Demand zone is at the level of 0.41, 0.40. Now, and that's what I drew. Price came there, respect it, push up, give us a double bottom and push up to the upper side. Double bottom on 4 hours. This move, if you calculate this move now, from this move, I think just wait, me I know check am, so I will just do the analysis, I just go. So by the time I check am, if you pay me, say person will just dey waste move where it will give you this move now from this top now, from this down now, most info. This move is 63% move, 63, 62, between 60 to 62% move without leverage. You don't waste time.
I wish you to follow up.
That is what we're saying. You follow up, not just call a coin. Cannot be wasting movements here. If we continue like this, there's no point for us coming on the floor. I'll be wasting pips now. In Forex, we call it pips. If you're wasting pips, this way supposed to get the time on me. You come, you waste it. And some of us are too fearful when you are in a trade. But when you make an entry, you don't expect it to go and pump direct to your TP zone. It is not done that way now. I've explained structure to us, how structure works. If not to enter, then pump straight to your entry. What we dey here to do now? Everybody we don't make money, we don't come up for market. No, but no be how we see am. All right, so most info. That's by the way. The height of that place, if you use your rail, everything still there. The height is 0.65. And if you look at it now, where I drew, everything I draw here. Okay, I said we should pick that bearish candle that was formed on
it don't reach there 0.66.
phone call. I don't tell you. Okay. So most info, not be top to catch them. If you catch this top now, even from this top now, you should be in good by now.
Profit.
And from this top, because me I draw another rail line to connect the low. Come take up, retest that high, clear it, and
2 times you go there. If everything fall, don't move again.
Yeah, move again to that side. All right, so now
that means they go like this. So
where did they go before? Check out. Okay, zoom in. It has one triple top now. 1, 2, 3.
On the 4 hours, Abi.
4 hours now. Zoom in now. This is triple top.
You know, be like, oh yes, 1, 2, 3. Wow.
Now down you go. If you catch them, if you catch them that yesterday now, or this candle that form, okay, this recent candle will form now. If you don't catch them, no need for you to fear. Leave it. Your point of interest should be your TP now. Should be your recent 4-hour swing low. And what is that 4-hour swing low? 4-hour swing low is at the place that demand that caused this push, this long parabolic candle. That demand zone is at the level of, you start TP, you can TP everything safe at the level of I try to place my mouse. At the level of 0.50.
0.50.
Okay. Write it down. Make better movement.
I want to put a set order. Make our everything. Then I go collect that for that 50.
But from down here, 28% move from that top. Well, most info, this is it.
Yeah, man, you really Chinese it. Now, I know Rico said that. He tell me that I go set all that. All these things, this is not okay. You just forget.
We're going to set all that. As you know, catch up for bottom now. Say, maybe go with
catch up for bottom. Yeah.
And sure, say, you check out.
I don't know. It is okay. See, I don't know yesterday. I can't see you on short. You got the pump. I can't hold you on short. I can't be short. After once, if I can't place all the trade. I can take closer.
You don't need to rush to short any coin, right?
Yeah, that means I go closer. I can say no, this coin I'm not very short and say see go closer. But I'm just saying no, I can't love it. I can't leave. I just make that's where you get where they go.
Yeah, more simple. Before if I do analysis, you get question where I ask myself, and I keep repeating it on this trading floor. One. What are consequences that make me pick this point as point of interest?
First one I want to say.
If that place, do I consider liquidity sweep? You know why you go enter? You enter early. Make I show you where liquidity. Don't worry, I'll show you where's liquidity on this chart. There's a place on 4 hours. Zoom out or zoom in, irrespective of what you are using, that phone or you get weird price you respect. I don't know, maybe you see how.
Only 4 hours, right?
4 hours, yes. Right, they respect that zone of 4 hours.
At once also.
Okay. Go and find the hammer candle that was produced on 25. No, on Wednesday 2nd of July. I look for that bullish candle. Oh. You don't find them? All right, guys, please let's make it more interactive and let's keep. Okay, Jalo P, welcome, my brother. GM.
Jalo P, don't you?
They speak that I don't call him. I don't call everybody where they block. Except people who just join us now. But I've called everybody. All right.
Okay, daily. So, you are daily now, babe?
No, I'm on 4 hours.
4 hours. You see the hammer we push price on 24th?
No. On bullish hammer on the 2nd, Wednesday 2, around 4 p.m. 16:00, 4 p.m.
So we can see on my phone now.
If you use laptop, if na laptop you use, I think say na laptop you when I asked you last time.
Yeah, laptop. Oh my God, on the back. Okay.
All right. While you are setting up, let's also make the house a bit warming. Yeah, now Jalo P, you're welcome. Hot Chief, how far? You don't raise your hand. Jalo P, welcome. Hot Chief, go ahead. Unmute and speak before we attend to Jalo P. Right. Hot Chief. No rock.
Everyone.
GM. No rock this morning. It's too early.
Oh boy. How you doing?
Fine. Let's go for life. We're back again on the street.
Over again today. Oh, I woke up this morning. Yesterday was not fine. My first lunch was too. So I woke up this morning to keep the market down. But on that link, where we analyze, I just took eye for him. I see a double bottom on the 1 hour. I think from now till 1 o'clock, we push to the upside. So I just remember I come tell you whether it's good for an entry.
Okay, wait.
Double bottom on the 2. Or I mean on the 1 hour.
Just wait. Actually, I there, no roll this morning. I don't tell you.
Yeah.
When you call token also, we don't say we dey try. If we see any best entry for the floor, we will enter, right? Only if you say me, I don't like to enter multiple trade, right? But it is good, and I have strong conviction. Before chain link USDT, all right? You did the chart?
Yep, on the chart.
You're on the chart, all right. I think, are you also called him yesterday? Somebody called this particular yesterday. I don't know.
I called him yesterday.
So it's still loading for me, though. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything. We do analysis. Okay, yeah, I don't see it. There's analysis, all right. Absolutely. Okay. All right. Okay, on the daily.
No, on the daily.
Don't worry. I'm also looking at it. Follow up. You just follow up. Okay. Okay. All right. You get one count weight, push and go up. Get one low. After that, you have a push up to around 20. Okay. So what do we expect? Right. I'm expecting price to. Okay. There was break of structure there. Change the power time. Okay. Okay, the break of structure, and this is the origin that caused it. Okay. All right. This is the origin that caused it. Okay. And that origin aligned with where value gap. Okay, there was where it broke out from. It broke out from the zone of from 16 to 17. It broke out from there. That Marabozu candle on the 17th. Can you find it, Ochi?
On the daily?
Yes, on the daily.
Yes.
All right. Yes. Yes. After that, Marabozu waiting form. I want to see maybe you follow the chart. Waiting form after.
After the Marabozu, what I'm saying is a kind of English.
Yeah, bearish inverted. Bearish inverted. Very. So now that bearish now it push us go up. Do you agree? All right, let's get to follow. If you agree, let's get to follow. So, what I do say, I don't draw my box, right? On the 4 hours. Maybe you now can go and draw your own box. Or you know how to use box. Yeah, I use box because it give me zone. I'm actually looking for, right? So I just connect. You get one last time we push us go like a dodgy. Oh yeah, put your box high and low. That candle, that Marabozu candle that was from around 4 hours. We push us go up to yes, around 24 hours on the 17th. Around 8 p.m. 8 p.m.
Around 9 o'clock. 1 o'clock.
I'm seeing 20 o'clock on my own, not 21.
I don't know how you think you are, but the one.
Not which you check. Oh, sorry, not the second one. Not 2 days yet. One printed. First one is 8 p.m. Second one is 12 a.m. in the morning. And 2 days yet. So check. Which exchange you want to put? I mean, I'm happy. No. Okay, that Marabozu way, how many can to form before we have that push? I want to know if it's the same thing. Yeah.
We have like three kind of dodges, three dodges.
Yes, I can correct. The same thing. But you mark the low. Use your horizontal line, mark the low and the high. Mark it to give you box.
This horizontal line, take commercial for this.
So, if you know the use of, use horizontal analysis. How you can't take your trade, and you know they tell us if you come floor, you know go ask question. Alright, no wahala. Go to you are using phone, Abi.
I'm using phone.
Okay, you are using phone. That place where they write in our home you did now. If you get home, go and click that place where it be like Biro, they write like Biro, something like Biro.
I'm using it. My this thing doesn't want to open. I don't know why.
Okay. Now when I use the exchange, I've said it here. Me, I know they comfortable with the exchange. And later go and use my trading view. I've said it here yesterday. If you are using exchange, I don't know how you guys go. But me, I've tried it once and it's not working for me, so I don't use it at all. So I don't know how I want to explain exchange. Trading view is what I use. Okay, no problem. A quick one. Anything we are at the top now, you know, you understand.
No, I don't understand.
Okay. You say so. I hope you say so. Alright, my own level, when I mark it, the level where I see now 16 and 17. Alright? Why we say now today now it is still if I do this analysis, I don't do them, I don't see them say. Alright, so let's hope that price come back sharp and the price is not I don't know. You can see what we are seeing here. What pattern are you seeing that come on 2 hours? For me, get my right.
Is it on that transition or the current candle?
No, everything here. From where you mark, where I say make you mark, from that push, there's a pattern there that forms.
From that push.
Alright. The pattern I'm seeing here is what is inverted and shoulder. Alright. This is the right this is the left shoulder, this is the edge, and this is the right shoulder. Completed. Don't complete. Alright. So I'm expecting another pattern formation. Now this is it. Conferences. One, this is a strong demand zone. Price have come. Demand zone aligned with wherever we are. Price come, we test that zone. One. Come again, we test that zone again. Two. Come again. For me, I would have entered since yesterday. I don't set order and say I'm expecting price to come and retest this zone. But all the same, no wahala. This is a good their liquidity thereabouts, and hopefully I think that's clear this liquidity. Alright. Most info you never set up.
You can clear out the liquidity because the liquidity
What's with? Just wait. I just want to draw it out and see. You know the draw that. How do you know that that's clear liquidity? You are using exchange. You just believe, you just think, say, okay, don't worry, I refresh my system hang. It freeze. I don't refresh them. If they say liquidity, I go ask them now where you think liquidity are. I go ask them now, don't worry. Right. Where's your liquidity zone?
Now, how I know my liquidity zone is, when a price, like if you look at the chart on the 4 hours now, you will see that when it gets to 20.3, it gets to 20.3. Now, there are people that some say that will sit their stop loss above that 20.3. And there's a long way there.
No, you want to...
That's good.
Wait, sorry. I understand. That one are up in the talk. Now, what I'm saying now... I'm talking
on
down.
The downside.
Wait.
On the down.
Ochi, relax. What is your bias on this coin? Do you want to short or you want to long?
I want to long.
Correct. So where will you look for liquidity? So
My liquidity soon at this point is 17.1.
alright, let me see 17.1.
Yes.
Okay, no. Okay, that is you. That is what you are saying. My own liquidity zone is around 17.78, 17.32. And price have come, sweep over it, clear up this low, go back or push up, come back again to test that zone. Alright, for me, well, if you can get it, if price can still come back, but I'm sure price may not likely come back. Because you don't test that zone. Alright, let's hope. Alright. Now, for me, if price can come, my point of interest would be if price can come back to 17.17, fine. Retest that zone, give me double bottom, and then though it has given me a double bottom already, but it is not. It's a slant double bottom. It is slant one. If you use your trend line now, connect this low of Thursday. Yes, around 4 a.m.
So, are you on the 1 hour time frame or on the 4 hours?
Now 4 hours now every day, Mr. Orchid. Now 4 hours a day now.
Okay. 5, 1. Okay, yes.
24
yes,
around
yes.
4 p.m. There's a low there.
There's a low. There's a low. They have finished.
All right.
After that low,
there's another push up. There was a push up. It came back again. There's another low. That was yesterday around 12 a.m. So if you connect that previous one, the first one, and this one now, is a slant. Slant double top. That means double bottom. All right. Now, me, I expect I say make you come test this previous low. We don't mark. That's the low of 17.17. Possible. Bounce from there or push, clear that low, clear it, and then push up to the upper side. But if this candle, all right, hear me your trick. If this candle close with a Marabuzu up, then for me, it has given me a clear confirmation that price will not likely come back to this zone again. So for me, I will take my entry at the close price of this previous candle. So you will need to wait for this 4 hours candle to close before you take your decision. You just call and go red. So if they call our attention, they monitor, place it on watch. And I will call coin now, everybody will go relax, go sleep. If you call, still place them on watch this. Anything where they do, if you come plus, say alpha, chemistry alpha, go recheck within. When they say people now see as we always do, as I told you, you come say, chemistry, do you see what PTC is doing? Which now will come, do you see what PTC is doing? Do you see what Solana is doing? And like that we're supposed to do. All right. So let's watch for this close of this present 4 hours. All right. But you can also see that the previous 4 hours that closed, that was 4 a.m. early this morning. 12 a.m. early this morning. And the recent one we just closed. The recent one we just closed now. This cross bullish candle. You see how we have already formed a double bottom. Abi?
Yes.
Almost the same. They're almost the same. The low is almost the same. And so that's why I said entry would have been this, because if you don't catch them around that 17.34, you don't even need to worry. So price might go small, come back to your entry, to just be dancing around there, and then we'll have a push to the upper side. For me, where am I looking to TP? All right, now your TP zone. Tell me where you are looking at.
I'm looking at the eyes of the candle that formed on the 17th. This candle that formed on the 17th around 4 p.m. Before, yes, around 4 p.m. That is at the height of that candle. That is around 18.8. That's to be my take profit.
18.8. Okay, let me see. 18.8. I'm not seeing 18.8 now. Which last candle? Okay, this last candle, 18.8. Okay. That's where you want it to be. All right. Well, it's a good zone. Well, for me, it has come to retest. It's an imbalance zone. So now FVG did here. So there's another FVG, small one. So there's about 3 FVG. So we don't retest one. So this one now, we don't come out. You see, this is just a short move. If you enter at this level, for me, it's a very short move. How you want it? I don't know. From here to this point, let me do the calculation now. It's just 40% move. 40% move. Well, it's also okay.
How many percent?
It's 7% to say you don't enter now. Just 7% from where you want to TP. For me, my TP zone will be around. That is the last value gap we never mitigate, which is around 19.27, and that is 11% move from point of entry.
Okay, let me keep watching.
Keep watching.
I wait for the price to give us the play double bottom at 17.7.
Yes. See, make I call zone. For you. All right. For me, this is zone. Me, I don't already get entry for my trade already, so I don't think once I don't get entry. The entry is very difficult. I've always been saying it. To get entry for trade. But that's why we say don't chase them. Because if you don't miss the entry, you don't miss and forget. No, if anything we they do thereafter, that chase of candle. I mean, I don't like to do that. Okay, that box that we drew for me, middle of that box. I'll give you level now. All right. For me, I'll start taking my level, my entry from. Okay, what make this trade a good one? I'll tell you. One, price is currently reacting from a demand zone it broke out, a continuation to the upward trend it broke out from. Now, two, also price has reacted on it. There was a fair value gap that was created while we have a push. Price react on it, bounce back, react on it again and bounce back. The reason why it bounced back was automatically it has become a support zone, and that's why it was still valid. Another complaint is that liquidity sweep has been done. That is for people that have entered around that fair value gap. They ride it up and they are still holding because they will not close. They say they go to the moon. They are still holding. Price have come and have cleared all of them up. Both their stop loss and those that place a whole lot of that use high leverage. Price don't liquidate some, clear some with stop loss, and we are having a push. Now I'm expecting price to come back, retest that low again, or take the So I'm looking at my level would be level 1 because me I do DCA so that sometime price might just leave you, hit the poor zone and leave other of your zone. That's why I said I work with zone. I don't work with just one price. All right, and I look at first of my low. I look at my PY is around 17.34. All right, let's assume I want to use $2. I will use $1 to enter at 17.34. Right, middle of that price or middle of that zone is around. Another one is around. Another one is around 17.0. 17.0. Or better still, just take that low. Take the low. I will enter another 50 cents at 17.147. 17.147. My last zone is 17, which is the middle, 17.059. These are the 3 zones I'm looking at. So it's a good bias and it is a good buy, but getting your entry properly is also very key for you to be able to ride it. So put it on watch. As you can see what it's doing currently. That power card way push up down. You don't come back down. So I don't know what you see.
That's what I'm saying here.
All right. So be patient and place an eagle eye on your trade for you. Thank you. Got you. Consistent. Try and use your trading view rather than your exchange.
I don't know what is going on with my phone. Whenever I will download this thing, I will just update it, but it's not open. Sometimes it's open now. I don't know why. So there's space in this my device. Maybe I'll work on it every day because this week we'll take some videos on my device that has growth space, and I will just take it home so that I'll see what I can do with that. So that's the day you have been helping me. I don't know when it stopped working. The other day I uninstalled it and installed it back was still the same. I don't know why. Thank you very much.
Maybe it's your phone space as well. Most info. All right, well, Chief, thank you very much for your time and thank you for calling attention to that. So please attention for those of us that this thing can place an eagle eye on link. If possible, if all Chief is able to call my attention to it, it's also a good trade. I've already given us conferences I look at on the trade. So just to go and retest those zones. And also even he's trying to create another pattern. Just to do the double pattern also there. Don't see so many other things also there. All right. We can take it live, we can take it as well. All right, thank you. Most info. Not done with your setup, fine. No, Jalo P, go ahead. Can speak Jalo P.
House. I hope you are getting better today. GM2 crypto chemistry. 100 for you. You are too much. GM most info. GM to you. Ujena. GM hot chief. GM to our amazing listeners and everyone in this house. You are welcome to the new day. And I am happy to be here once again. I have been following up. It is no longer I woke up, though I did sleep early. I've been on the chat since last night till this morning around 3. I want us to look at this AR. I actually missed my entry from the top. I've been watching it for a while, but I've been busy lately, so I've not really checked on my charts and things. So I think right now, where it is, we can ride it up a little bit and see what we can get from it. AR USDT. Cryptochemistry, are you there?
Yeah, sorry. I first mute. I want to hear what you talk now, so I have to mute. Okay, somebody also have called. Get out so I don't even get analysis on top for yourself. All right, somebody called. I don't know, maybe some. I don't know how.
That's nice. That's nice.
Okay. All right.
That leak you are analyzing right now. So what you can do for 4 hours.
All right. Yeah, of course. I don't do on top of the track. I don't do on top of the track. All right. Okay. AR has been pumping for a while. Okay. On 4 hours, there's a change of character. Child of P.
Yes.
There's a change of character that occurred. All right. And meaning that we are going down. All right. So we might have a pump, if you are correct, at this zone of K. Okay. I don't see another thing. Okay. You missed the top. All right. Don't worry. Let's see what we'll capitalize on and see if we can catch the pump. And child of P, if you are with me on the 4 hour.
Yeah.
Are you there?
Yes. I'm here.
Okay. If you're on the 4 hour, can you please connect your box? You get one candle way push price go up. Where the thing they fall from now? We push price go 8.87. That candle
19
is
candle
on the 19, correct. Channel of P on the 19. You are very correct, channel P. I'm trying to delete one ray. That ray is costing me. Can you use your box? Connect the high and the low. Use to connect the high and the low.
The high of that candle, that bullish candle.
That bearish, no, not bullish. That small bearish.
Okay, the cross dot.
Yes.
From the weak top to the weak down.
Yes. Use weak top, weak down.
I should use the down top, right?
No, you can use your rectangular box.
Okay. Yes. I've connected it.
All right. So that is our strong demand zone. Because from there, what thing happen? We have a push all the way to the upper side. Do not?
Yes, you're right.
Okay. And now, what thing happen? Price came down to that level.
We test it.
We test that zone and push down. Do you know why?
No, please.
Yes, sir. Now, for an inexperienced trader now, you go place your zone here. By the time when price come push you, say we don't do red. And once you see red, lamentation will start. Now look at that bullish candle, Marabozu, that printed on the 16th. On the 15th July.
15, yes.
Don't say I'm around 12 noon.
Yes.
Bearish. No, bullish. On the 16th, on 4 hours. On the 16th of July.
Yeah, I've seen it. 4 o'clock.
No, not 4. 12. 12. Tuesday, 15th July. Tuesday, 15th July.
How you come? I've seen it. You were saying 16 before.
No, 15. Maybe now, you hear me? 15. That's what I said. 15, around 4 p.m. I mean, around 12 p.m. 12.
Yes, I've seen it.
All right. Now, do you see the gap that was left behind by that candle? If you use your box or your horizontal line to connect it, the gap is around.
Connect from the top, right?
You connect the low. You know, say after that Marabozu, there's another inverted hammer.
Yes.
So you connect the low of that inverted hammer and the high of the candle that printed before that Marabozu. Connect that high. That will give you your zone, your gap that left behind.
Hold on. A bit less. The low of this inverted hammer and the high of
the candle that printed before this Marabozu is also a Marabozu, but very small.
Yeah, the one down that is like the hammer.
Yeah, the one down. Yeah, so now the up you will target the up, and the up no even get weak there. So at the body.
With the body of this inverted hammer, right?
With the low of it, the inverted hammer also no get weak now the body.
Yes.
Okay. Now, does it align with our demand zone? The demand zone that we drew.
Down.
No. The demand zone that we drew just now. You know, say before we draw this. You know, say this one we will draw now. Now the gap. Now FVG we draw. So, we've already draw our demand zone before, which is that bearish candle that you use to connect the high and low, bodily, everything. Don't forget. That one for connect. Does it align now? Does it align?
Yes. The next box is on top of this one now.
Yes. So it aligned.
Yes.
It might be confusing for you. So me, I don't use the same lines. Like my Pueblo gap now, I use yellow color. My demand zone, I use something like orange. All right. Now it aligned. That was why you have that push. It push from that demand now. It push that demand zone, push price down. And what happened? It come down to the extreme end of that our fair value gap. Yes or no?
Yes. At 6.9.
Yes.
And rejected.
Like the candle that printed yesterday around 4 p.m. 4 a.m. Sorry, 4 a.m.
Yes.
And we have a push to the opposite. So that was the reason why you see that push. If not, you would have respect that. You would have respect the one who first drew. You would have end at that level of 7.1. But because there are liquidity around that area, now waiting beyond for that. Now I will show you liquidity on it. So you can remove, since you can track your FVG, you can remove that FVG so that it will not cause confusion. Remove only the FVG and leave your demand zone. Okay. All right. So all right. Now For me, the liquidity zone here, what happened? Now, some people don't dey long from that zone where we mark. Jalopi, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Some people don't long from that zone where we mark. Say, it dey go moon, it dey go moon. All right?
Yeah.
And your plus is below that your box we will draw. Some of them, liquidation is below that box we will draw.
I get you.
You understand what I'm saying now?
Yes.
Now, come back to your right hand side again. Go and find there's another bearish candle that was formed on July 15. There's a bearish candle. Before we have that push to the upper side.
One of 12 o'clock.
I'm coming, let me close it.
Tuesday.
12 a.m. Yeah, correct, 12 a.m.
That's it.
Also connect the high. Connect the high and connect the low. The high and that low of that candle.
Yes.
Don't connect them.
Yes.
Okay. Now, connect the high. I want to accept that push will happen now. That push will happen now. It can't mitigate that level. You accept?
They
can't. Thank you, darling. Thank you. Pass on it and push to the upper side, right? Now, for you to know, can you pick? Use your trend line. Get one Marabuzu bearish candle that was printed on 17th.
12 o'clock.
On Thursday. Yeah, Thursday 17th. Oh, Jalopi. Yeah, correct. Okay, just connect all the lows with all the week with it. Help me connect them
To yesterday this week.
You can connect it to
This
possible. No. This connect it. Let it touch the body of this the one that bearish candle we print for early this morning around 12 a.m. Make it stop there. Make it just use body. Make it use body touch that body. Don't do it.
Yes.
Trend line, just use trend line to connect. Just connect. You can pick 3. Okay, no problem. Okay. Now, waiting at the top to say, you see that box go first draw, which is our demand zone. People don't enter at that level and they don't ride now, and they still they hold and say, if they go to moon, I go hold on. All right. Now, this level where you draw now, this level of 7 points, if I highlight it on my price, 7.075, 7.20. These are area of your liquidity. Me say, anybody will enter here now, psychologically, where you think say you go put stop loss?
Anybody will enter from this trend line
No. Not the trend line. That trend line is our liquidity zone. I will explain more of the trend line. I'm trying to explain that box to you. the box we don't first mark. That demand. You don't come out the box.
No. The one I come out is
So your box is still there, right?
Yes.
Tell me highlight that box and tell me the price you are seeing.
The price of this price here is 6.613.
No. Highlight the box. If you highlight it, it will highlight you the price by your right hand side. For me here, I'm seeing 7.3 and 7.1.
How do I highlight the box?
Just place your cursor on top it. Place your mouse on top it. Using phone or?
No, I'm using my system. I'm using my PC.
Okay, using PC, Abi. Okay,
yes.
use your mouse. Click the box. It will bring something like 000 like that. You don't highlight that. Then you can't go right. See any color where you use. My own color na blue, na blue they show me for my own price. If I highlight it, it will show me the price of that zone with blue color.
Okay, yeah. I have 6.9322 to 6.627.
It's not the same thing with mine. The difference is much. At least you should be getting 7 point something.
The point that connect the drawing is from the candle that's
bearish candle now.
The cross touch on the on the 15, 12 o'clock, 12 a.m.
Yes.
The week, the upper week and the lower week.
But okay, you know what? Place your mouse on that candle. Go up of your system. You will see where they write O, H, L, and C. Meaning opening, high and low and close. Just place your mouse, place it on top of that candle.
Yes.
Go up of your chart. You go see OHLC. There. Just here.
Yes.
Your O is
7.255.
Okay.
7.373.
All right.
The L is 7.244 and the C is 7.301.
Okay. You can see you didn't get it. You did not get the zone correctly. Do you accept that? Because your high of that candle is 7.32. That's 7. You did 6, right? It should be 7 points. The only difference me and you get now the decimal point we did between. Maybe my own be 3.2, your own will be 2 something, and no wala. The difference should not be much. Do you get it now?
They're not get right here.
And maybe you didn't place your box very well on top it. That is why you are getting 6.
The box I covered the week down.
I understand. This is now. You know why I asked you to place your marks and look up.
No.
Okay. Reason is that this is what people will design the charts. Now, this is the real value. All right. So, if we want to get our own value, if I thought there want to be differences, it should not be much. So, anytime you place your marks on top of any candle, it will give you all the details you need on that candle, which means the high of that candle, the opening price of that candle, the close price of that candle, the low of that candle. And that is what it gave us here. So your box, so for me now, my box is giving me, the high of it is giving me 7.3, the low of it is giving me 7.1. All right? 2 things will happen where you say, they get down. Either that your box maybe is too thick. The line might be too thick. If the line is too thick,
How do I
know,
do it?
okay.
How do I
Highlight it.
Yes.
You highlight it.
X.
Go to too good. You cannot reduce to from 2x, maybe 1x, 1px, 1px. We have 3px. You can increase it 3px, 3ps, 4ps, 1ps. Okay. Now readjust. Try to get that high very well. Readjust. No worry. No to stress yourself. Just relax and get it. Make it just touch am small. No need make it cover everything. Just small.
Yes.
If you have adjusted it, highlight it again and see what the value we are getting.
The value is now is high. The value is the opening is 7 point.
No. Forget that opening. Don't highlight the box.
I've highlighted the box.
Okay. What is your high?
The high is 6.933.
Okay, it remains small. I don't know this thing you are using. What estimate?
No, I'm using TradingView.
No. What estimate you are using? TradingView under what? Binance?
Binance Perpetual. Binance.
Oh, okay. Yeah. There will be difference. Don't worry. Me, I did on Bybit. And that is why I always want to be using same exchange. I understand that.
Let's be on the same chapter.
Yes, do you understand? There will be a difference now. Binance, of course, you don't expect them to have the same value.
Yes, I'll change it to Bybit. So we'll get it. Just don't worry.
Just wait to do. Can you still recollect now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just do the same thing.
You never do what you do.
Okay.
Yes. It's equal to 6.9. 6.929. The high 6.929. Yes. Are you there?
That P.
Yes, I'm here.
I thought you are calling me.
Yes, I said I have done it. I've drawn the box again. Here now is giving me 6.929.
All right.
6.94, yeah. 6.949. And the high, while the low is 6.629.
Okay, let me use another method for you. Dollar P.
Yes.
We will get an up. Use line ray. Line ray, now if that short one, after horizontal, you have line ray. That one no dey cover everything for you. You only cover within some period. Now you go to drag am. The horizontal is full. Your line ray is short. It's half. It's there. Everything is there on your tool. Yeah. Thank God in a laptop now you dey use.
Yeah. But that way, just the one the right way, just wait.
Okay, which one is the ray? I'm coming in a few minutes. No, not that one.
You have horizontal way.
You want the right horizontal ray. Horizontal ray. Can you find it? Don't see it.
I've seen it, yes.
Alright, use it to connect the high. Go ahead. The high of that candle now, where the cause issue for us now. I won't connect.
Remove the box.
Remove the box.
Okay.
Yes, it cause problem for us.
One box was.
But now, boss, me are the use sharp. But I just want to try. There are different methods I use, so not necessarily on the box. If you use the two now, connect the high, connect the low, it will give us box now. So same thing. Don't connect the top.
Yes. Still, but it aligned with the drop. This drop at the week of this Thursday, 4 p.m. Is it 4 p.m. 4 a.m. This Thursday is on top of it. Aligned.
Thursday?
Yeah, this yesterday's bearish high.
Bearish high?
Yeah, by 4 o'clock.
Okay, yesterday. Just the post and I guess
yes, they are aligned. The top of this week now, the week of this cross that we are working on now.
No worries.
Yes. It's giving me 6.9.
Wait, place your is it how wave perpetual you did on Bybit? That's what you check.
I'm using. It's not our. This one is this is Bybit. Just Bybit perpetual contracts.
Yes. AR now, AR.
Yes.
AR USDT perpetual contracts, right?
Bybit, yes. That's right.
Correct. Now, place your candle, place your mouse on that Marabozo candle.
The Marabozo on the
beside this one we will try get the zone where they give us issue. So beside it, there's the Marabozo candle there. You can see now. Just place your mouse on top and come go look.
That's like an inverted app.
No, not inverted though. Immediately after that bearish, there's a bullish candle now.
Yes, it's like a long week.
A long, forget the week. Immediately after this bearish, where would they try connect? So where would they try connect high and low? There is a bullish candle beside it immediately. Just place your mouse on it.
Okay. I have.
Yeah, go up. Tell me the parameter you are seeing.
I'm seeing 0.675.
No. Go up. Where they write 0 HLC.
That's what I'm telling you. 0 is 6.7. 6.765. 8 is 7.00.
Okay.
And the L is 6.693. The C is 6.874.
L is 6.693.
Yes.
L is 6.393.
Actually, it's a number.
6.874.
Not yet.
Wait, I mean, I tell you my own head. My own head here is 7.16. Wow, you are mad. We're on the same pair. We're on the same pair. We're on the same chat. We're on the same exchange.
Oh, wow.
But what time? Almost the time where they no be GMT you dey use. Now it's
Sorry, my brother. I beg, no verse. I will switch to the other this thing. If you wanna still do this thing, I beg. I will switch to the other X.
Okay.
I beg.
Okay, that means this place will be wrong now.
Yeah, the other X now. I will switch to the other X.
Okay. So Jalo P.
Yellow, I beg.
Be on standby.
I agree to.
Be on
Ako. It's not teacher again. I want them there. Can't forget how to rock on the guy. Okay, it's okay. Okay, okay, nos existe de equipa as well. Well, sure, that's true. Yeah, no problem, no. Ecco, Nicole, canto quello che... me ne tanti, uomini, oggi me ne tanti abbia, Mm. 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 Just well, because why not get to book?
Hello.
Yes, brother, I'm here with you.
All right.
So let's go on. What could be, I was asking what could be the reason of this difference in the figures we are arriving at.
My time and your time are the same thing on screen. There's no difference.
Right now, there's something I'm seeing here. The height now is 7.375.
Okay, which one? Which of the high you are like?
Okay, no. It's still the same thing. It's still that's it. On the
Okay, don't worry. I don't deserve. Don't worry. I don't deserve. All right. I have to refresh my system again, and all right. I have to refresh my system again, and okay. Let me see what this one is giving. All right. No problem. Okay, mark that low again. I've refreshed my system again.
the low of this dodgy candle.
No, sorry. That okay. So it's the same thing. Don't worry, same thing. Now another place I would look. That's high of that Marabuzi candle. Call me again your time frame. That's value. Sorry, I said time frame. Your value
Of that dodgy candle. The dodgy candle of
no. The Marabuzi.
The Marabuzu of
19. 19. Can you hear me?
Yes, I'm hearing you. Of 19th of July.
Just place your mouse and give me the parameter there.
The Marabuzu on the this thing is 7.2. That's the O. Why the I is 7.47455.
Correct.
The low is 7.172. While the C is 7.458.
No, it's correct. It's correct with my own now. All right, place it beside that bearish.
The bearish candle beside it on the left or on the right side?
On the left.
Hold on. Is it this candle that you've been asking me to work on since?
Yes, now.
I thought it's the one on the Tuesday 15th that we'll be working on since.
No. Saturday, July.
On this now 19th. Now you are
correct.
12 o'clock. That's the candle you're talking about, right?
Yes, now.
So I should use the box on this one, the master box.
Yes, the high and the low.
That is where the confusion is, my brother.
No, well,
14th, 15th. That was what I was looking for.
No. 19 Saturday.
I was saying now whether
use your box directly since you've gotten it. Use your box.
Yes,
give me some.
I'm doing that. Yes.
Okay. What's the parameter?
7 point. Parameter there is 7.326.
Problem.
And 7.147.
Correct, no problem. Thank you. Which I want to hear with that. It's the same thing with mine. All right. All right. Now, this thing where you draw, that trend line where you draw, what you mean at the top, you say, that your box now. People don't end at this zone. And they don't write that up. If you look to your left, people will enter now. Some person don't make profit. Yes or no?
Sure.
They write it up, not be so.
Yes.
Now, we have some people who are inexperienced trader that will still be holding their trade. Say, if they go moon. Now then, price can't look for now. That your boss now. You know, say on a norm, if you want to enter now, if you enter here, where will your stop loss be?
It will be below. It will be at this.
Thank you. Below this your box. Below this your box.
Yes.
Correct. And some person that use high leverage also, their liquidation also will be around below this place also. So stop loss, liquidation, everything is around this zone.
Some people are around 7.078 or something.
Yes, that your trend line, I will take mark. That is how to determine your liquidity area.
It has swept that liquidity. It has.
You don't collect all the money. You don't collect their money.
This
forget.
This Gary Sharma.
Yes.
Of yesterday.
Yes.
All the liquidity under this place.
This is how to track. So this is how to enter. So that you don't. Okay, if you go and enter here now, you know, say they don't use your money now. Your money take part of money where they will use to ride and go up again.
Letter don't come since. Let me say. Enter here. Letter is available. See,
yeah. Good. So these are how I take my trade and some conferences that I looked at. Right now, since you don't determine them, you don't sweep up, you push up, you come down, retest. Retest that zone, that low way create. Retest them. Now, what other conference are you seeing here? The two candles that was printed here. What will you call it?
This is double bottom.
Good. One double bottom, one conference. Second conference, candlestick. Now application of candlestick they apply now. This is tweezer bottom also. Double bottom, tweezer bottom formation.
Yeah.
Red, equal red, equal red, equal green.
Equal green, yes.
Yeah, said.
You're right.
So, which is it?
I was trying to see pattern. That's what that I've seen this tweezer bottom. Yes, you're right.
So candle formation, double bottom, tweezer bottom,
yes.
Liquidity sweep, demand zone. So my concentration is I want to see price. Price might not come back to this low again. I'm not seeing it.
To go up, price will go up from here. Actually, it's actually playing out.
Me from this zone. Me, I'm not. What pattern do you think want to form here? There's a pattern I'm seeing. I don't know if you are seeing it also. Is chat the morning. What are you seeing? Can you picture any pattern here?
This is
correct. This is correct. Now, for people that trade pattern, you go ride and go up. to complete that M shape and then push it down. You feel right now go up and still push it down to give you your L.
But riding it upward to complete N shape right now is not much.
No. Of course, now don't worry. I'm still going to tell you where we are looking at to keep. Don't worry. All right. Let's go to our 15 minutes. I believe you used 15 minutes to enter.
No.
Abi?
Yes. That's the truth. I will check. I go as low as far as using 5 minutes sometimes to check how to take the movement before I conclude on my entry.
Okay.
On this 5 minutes, on this 15 minutes, there is a double button here. Go from the left side. Check it from the left side. You see there is double button.
Yes. Not perfect, but it's lines. I've seen it. Don't worry. I've seen it. Price come. We test that zone. Okay. If I say you get on this chart, if you don't enter now, and by now you go on the right hand, but no allow, we still can find entry. All right. Now on the 15 minutes, you see your box. It did white. Have you noticed so?
Yes.
So you will need to adjust them. Because you don't cover some area which say you yourself, you know, if you talk, see what's happen. Alright, so let me see if we can adjust it.
If you adjust it to will you still get the same value that goes from assets?
No, you not give it the same value, but mind you, it also helps you for your entry. That entry you want to look for. You need to adjust it to where you are looking at.
But this tool is a nice. It gives us nice listing everywhere to 15 minutes.
So, what we had a look at that on pitch. Had a look at where we have push now. Price don't even come there. Test it. Alright, this is another push. Okay. Now price is approaching the resistance. They are resistance, so I don't know if you can see them. Yeah, they are resistance at the top.
Where it is.
Yeah.
At this moment, there's resistance there.
Yes, there's resistance there. So that of P, no need to chase. Alright, point of interest, don't adjust your, still remain the same level. We expect price to come down and retest this level. The level of 7.2, and then me at 3 zone, I always draw. I always use my ground box. Let me draw the middle of this box.
Right now, if you want to, let me ask a question because I want to really understand this gap box very well. I've heard you write to someone the other day about how, like as we are on 15 minutes right now, you want to draw gang box from here to get entry. Do you still need to go back to 4 hours to draw the gang box? Or
No, you can use it. Now, hope you have not touched our boss. Hope you have not adjusted anything.
No. We still have it.
Oh yeah, go and look for gang boss on your. You have it. Okay. Have you used it before?
I have tried using it.
Okay. Click on the low, click on the high of that your box. Click on gang box.
Yes.
You don't see that. If the gang box not appear for you.
Yes. I have set it up, sir. I left 0.5. That's how
okay. No, No. Now 3 zones is supposed to be 0, 0.5, and 1.
Yes, that's what I said.
Okay.
Left 0, then
Yes.
0 and 1. That's what I said.
Right. So you place it on the low and high.
Yes.
That middle, which is 0.5, is the half of that box.
Yes.
Then use your horizontal line to mark it out. Just place it on top to align with that 0.5.
I've done that.
All right, that is your mid-range. So what you are looking at, for me, I look at the first 2. I look at, click it, highlight your box. All the 3 we highlight for you. So first one, sir.
The first one is 7.331.
All right, correct.
The second one is 7.243.
All right, correct.
And the third one is 7.147.
All right. Now, the reason why I do set those levels, because I don't want to be left behind. This is a key zone. Sometimes price will come hit the first one. It will not come to your second level, and it will push. Another instance, price will come, pierce your first level, pierce your second level, and leave those third level and go back. And sometimes price pierce the 3, but we have a push. So even though it come pierce 1, go, you are still okay with it. Do you accept?
Yes.
So even though it pierce 1 and 2, you are okay with it. So even though it pierce 1, 2, 3, all what you need to do, add these 3 together, divide it by 3, you will know that, you will know your entry point. This DCA. This is how to DCA when you are trading future. 7 plus 2, 7 plus this, divide by 3 to give you your exact entry. If it is 2, if you pick 2, divide by 2 of those price, 7 point this plus 7 point this, divide by 2 to give you your entries. So here I expect price to come and retest this our zone back. Or we have a final put to the upper side. There is room for a retest. So leave it that way and keep an eye on it. But it is a good move.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate this. Is one thing I've understood today. Thank you so much.
But normally, for saying me, I don't join this chat. I could not enter at other way I do also. Go to 4 hours. Go to 4 hours.
Yes.
That last week, we clear everybody out. That's Marabuzu bearish now. We leave for good
block, right?
Use your gang boss. Use your gang boss.
Yes.
Connect the body. Connect the low.
The week of, you mean the bearish candle of 12 o'clock yesterday, or the one of
No. Bearish candle
4 o'clock
on Thursday, 20th of July. 4 o'clock. Yes. Yesterday.
I should connect the body.
Use your gang box.
Yes.
That, say for bearish, it open at the top, it close at the bottom. So
yes.
Connect that body for bottom, the close price. Connect the low, which is the weak.
Okay.
Now, use your horizontal line.
Yes.
Let it align with your 0.5.
Okay. I've done that.
It will give you
7.087.
Does it align with the tweezer candle formed?
Yes.
Another entry model I don't give you, so I never thought this one was space. Today is the first time I'm saying this.
But do you know something?
Yes.
If I were to enter yesterday, this is what at this I would have used the tweezer button, the weak of this tweezer. That's what I would have used. I would have entered between it. I would have used the box on this tweezer button if I was to enter this trade earlier than this.
You mean the last? You mean the last? The last bearish? The last bearish.
Yes.
Okay, let me hold on. I'm coming. Let's apply same method to it. You know, there are different entry model, right? As far as you should have multiple, so that if you have multiple, you will not be chasing candle.
So
you got all right, perfect, good. Thank you. You are very, very good in learning. Now, if you put it there, that's last bearish Marabozu.
Yes.
Right? Yeah. Adjust your that horizontal line, adjust it back to 0.5.
It gives you 7.069.
Which is same thing. Same, you know now that you can now use weak to make any. That's what I want to understand.
The day you were teaching either Madam or so. There's a lady you were teaching the other day. It was 3 days ago. I brought you this and I had you and I was following up. I was just following up. That's the day I sent my gang box. I don't know what gang box was.
Okay.
Yeah. I learned it that day. So I started using it. I used it to enter what is it called? BTC, yes, this early morning session.
Okay.
This morning.
Yes.
So BTC have some liquidity upward. Went to strip the one down. Then I waited for it from the down one. The one at 1155 something. That's where I entered from. Then I wanted to go. I know BTC before it continues this downward movement, there is some huge amount of liquidity.
Yes, yeah.
But this
at the top.
Yes, at the top. 20,500. 20,449. There is a lot of liquidity up here. And BTC, before it goes, we continue this downward movement. It has. Whoa.
So that's another entry model for people that are listening. Have different methods of entry to help you not to chase candle.
Chasing candle is very dangerous. You lose your money along the line.
Lose your money.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you, Mama. I appreciate you so much.
Welcome.
Yeah, bro. I see where the liquidity is. About 255 million at 117,906 BTC. Has about 255 million, 245.02.
Around what zone?
Around 117,906.82.
Let me go to 4 hours so I'll look for it.
On BTC liquidation heat map, just check it.
I know.
It's good.
We may have should not think that this. Come again with your heat map. Your heat map value.
117,906.82.
Yeah, 117. You are very correct. That is my mid. That is the mid of my forever. There's a huge fair value gap around 4 hours.
Yeah.
Definitely expect price to come and clear all these things before they move. Yeah, before it continues. So my push maximum, the extreme edge of that gap is around 118. If it can push you to that place,
you're
right. So that's it, my brother.
That's where we set another entry for short.
Write your thing down. No fear. Write it down. I've already been telling you.
This thing is just trading is about calming down. You don't need to be in a haste. You need to calm and the way you read these conferences and to read how the market movement, it will help a better. You won't be losing your money that much. You won't be losing your money if you earn good points. After analyzing your charts, you won't lose your money.
And even though you lose, mind you, if you make an entry, a good one for that matter, and you write it down, and it's giving you 500, 600, 1,000%, hasn't that covered all your losses? That of PI there.
I'm with you 100%.
Yes, that's covered your losses. Covered those losses.
So I try not to take multiple trades, and I will really ask us to follow suit because it will help you not to lose. It will help you to monitor your trades and help you to maintain risk management because it's very, very important to manage your risk. It's one thing I have come to learn in this trading space. Are you getting it? You need to manage your liquidity because without liquidity, no participation in the market, no matter the opportunity that comes. If you lack liquidity, you cannot function. So thank you very much, my brother, Crypto Chemistry. You are wonderful. I appreciate you and I appreciate your effort. You've been one of a kind. Seriously. You've been one of a kind, and the universe will continue to bless you. And the universe will continue to align your favor. Yes, I'm sure of that. Thank you, and continue in this your personality. Is a huge character you have that will take you a long way. I know what I'm saying. Yes. Continue on this.
All right. Thank you very much, my brother, Jallo P. I want to tell you something today. Also for other persons who to learn, right? Now, I grew up in an environment where you, irrespective of how you make money, nobody's interested in that. I think that is what a whole lot of persons in Nigeria face, right? And other best way people believe that when educations no longer the peak, people began to look for ways on the internet to. That was what pushed me actually to start trading. I did airdrop as well. I've benefited from airdrop also. Benefited from Aptos airdrop. I benefited from Sui airdrop. It's fair launch Sui did. It's not even airdrop. Fair launch they did. Benefited from a whole lot of other airdrop, right? And I started my trading journey, and I believe that Trading, it is you. Though I've been burned several times, I lose a whole lot of money.
It's part of it. Part of the that's your journey.
But I stay motivated, and when I started getting the whole thing right to some extent, that I started saying that okay, I think this thing I'm mastering it already. Yeah. For every person around my area, I'll meet you. I found out that this is what you are doing. Most people are into illegal online businesses, committing fraud and the rest. So I'll tell you, don't worry. If you actually want, I will do it. I'm not collecting time. I'll do it for you free. Just come. I'll take you hand to hand. Now, I do not have a better plan. When I came to X, there's no better person to actually do that. Right? And I've checked on it. And you find out that the only thing they call you, you come to such space or such gathering or community, tell you if you want to know more, click the link in my bio, do this, and you find out that at the end of the day, you're not getting what actually. So when this platform came, and person like this, this is what I'm doing on my streets, or this is what I'm doing around those around me. Somebody is doing it online. All right. So it's a motivation, and it aligns with my dream and also vision. So that is the motivation behind all these things. It's not that I just woke up one day, because I also have this motivation, and I've also have this spirit. I've been doing my own little way also within my community around to assist those that really want to understand the market conditions and want to understand the financial market. And here is somebody also doing the same thing, free of charge, no money is attached, no any benefit attached to it. So why would I also assist pushing the dream and vision?
You do so well. They're wonderful. They're wonderful. You know, it is one, personal decision. Two, morals, how you were brought up. Those are what correlates to all these things you are seeing that is happening in your life. If you had been brought up in a way that you don't really have the right moral standard, you would have derailed. With this, your intelligence, because you are intelligent. Are you getting it? It would have been used in the wrong avenue. Are you getting it? But thankfully, you my brother. Who is that? Please hold on, please. You say something, Agro Brian. You did the right thing, getting this knowledge, and at the same time having the zeal to share it, to create more people, more better people that will help the environment. Are you getting what I'm saying? Kudos to you. I appreciate you, and continue on this trend. It's a nice one. What you're actually doing is you're planting. Your time of harvesting is coming. You will harvest when you might have forgotten that you planted now. You are planting great seeds in humanity. Are you getting it? And that is the only way to grow. You can only grow when you build people, because there will be a time when you would not have the time or the energy to do all these things. Then those you've built, the foundations you've laid, will now carry you. Are you getting what I'm saying? It is nice thing. It's a wonderful thing you've done, and you are still on it. I encourage you to continue, and I must tell you for a fact that the universe will align in your favor. It is not magic. It is not any abracadabra or any prophecy. It's not about prophecy. This is reality. Are you getting what I'm saying? It's pure reality. The universe will align with you in your favor. Are you getting what I'm saying? You will always find favor. You find it easy doing things. Yes, I'm sure of what I'm telling you. Continue in that trend. We welcome everybody once again to the CTMG trading space. Somebody is like this person, Agoy Brian. You want to say something? Please, you can unmute now. Let's hear you.
Yes, brother. Thank you. Am I audible enough?
Yes, you are.
Yes, mine is simple. Thank you for the platform. I'm actually from Nairobi, Kenya, and I like what you guys are doing. And I want to ask my brother Crypto, which coins do you usually trade? Because crypto is evolving so fast, and this is my third year trading. I've been into pairs and indices before. So this is my question. I like how you do your trading. You analyze the market. You're good at that. But I've realized for the past 2 years now that there are bad actors in the game, whereby you do your analysis, you get a coin, you do your due diligence, but now you have realized that the bad predators, the robbers, are in circulation. You find the coin is good, but now, like the total circulation supply, you get there is one wallet that owns 70% of the circulation supply. So you're in the market doing your analysis, doing your trading, but now once they're on profit, you become an exit liquidity. So my brother, how do you handle such incidences? Thank you.
I'm here. Brian, thank you very much for your contribution and wonderful question. You have been struggling for the past 3 days. I guess your internet service is kind of bad. All right, so thank you very much. Yes, it's true that market manipulation comes in. Other factors, fundamentals can affect your analysis. No doubt, you are very correct. And that is how or why I encourage people to always manage your trade. When you enter a trade, it's left for you to manage your trade. Now, how? Okay. We are looking at a particular pair. Let's assume BTC, for example. Now, I've drew a gap that I want price to react from. Price is actually reacting on that gap of 115 to 228. Price gets to that level and starts retracing to the upper side. Now, mind you, there have been break of structure that have already happened on BTC, or change of character. Let me use the word change of character because we have been in an uptrend for a while. Now, change of character, telling you that we are rounding up the move to the upward side. We want to continue to the downward trend. All right. For people that always look for entry every day, that's your entry zone, which is your POI, your point of entry, around 115 to 28. You can ride up from there. But mind you, while riding up, don't forget that a break of structure have already occurred. And what causes that break of structure? It was the candle that was printed on 24th of July. So by the time you are riding it up, bear it in mind that this is no longer a bullish ride. It's just a retest from the origin that causes the break of structure. Meaning that for you to be able to get your target point to take profit from, you should ensure that you mark your zone. For me, if I'm marking the zone, the area that causes this was, if I mark that zone, it means that if I enter a long position on BTC, I should expect, what should I expect? I should expect a retracement from where? From at the level of between the zone of 118 maximum, it might not get there, 119. This is where the break, or this is the origin that caused this impulsive move. You get? It means for you to be realistic with your TP, you start TPing. One, you might use what I do. Sometimes I use trailing stop loss. I will trail it. Mark your imbalances. All right, this is the mid of my imbalances. I want to TP at this middle. Because price might come there, react from that place, come down before a continuation. All right, I'll TP at that level. Even though it comes down to my entry zone again, I'm not bothered. I can still take an entry. I will need to see what is going on before I take an entry. All right. So for you to be realistic with your TP zone, you need to set your final TP at this zone. But for an inexperienced person, he or she will want to continue riding and say, oh, this thing is pumping and it's going back to what I buy. Thereby, the market will not trap you because why? You do not understand the structure of the market. I think we did structure here yesterday, which we're actually analyzing to ourselves. Desi is not here. I don't know why he's not here yet. I guess maybe he's having an issue with network. So how do I manage my trade? I mean, how do I manage other factors? One, by concentrating on my trade, and one, understanding the structure I'm trading. One, I will not trend sideways or downward market. Two, be realistic. Even though I'm taking entry, I will be realistic with my zone, considering some confluences. If I cannot answer those confluences, I don't enter trade. So as a trader, I look at what are those confluences and what are my answer to them. If I can answer those confluences, I'm good to go with that trade. And also, I'll be realistic with my TP zone. I don't need to go and place my TP zone. What is the chart is showing me is 1:3. Now, my emotion will tell me 1:6, 1:4, 1:5. Whereas chart is telling me 1:3. So why should I adjust to 1:5? I've made that mistake several times also. Right? So for you to be able to scale and have an edge over what over influences, fundamental influences that could affect your setup. You need to manage your trade. And how do you manage your trade? By understanding the structure you are trading. By also ensuring that you are realistic with your TP zone. Alright? And also ensuring that whatever that want to happen, your analysis you have done, an in-depth analysis you have done, except we have an unforeseen circumstances, then your setup will be invalidated. Maybe Trump come today and let's do something, or there's war somewhere, or there's something somewhere. It could happen, fine. But apart from that, I don't think any other thing should affect your trading or your setup if you've actually done a groundwork. Also, another way to solve this, I've mentioned one of it is trade management. Under trade management, I talk about understanding structure. I talk about understanding structure you are trading. I talk about setting a realistic target goods, right? Another way is that do not chase entry. Do not be too quick to enter trade. How? The most difficult thing in trading is your entry zone. TP easy. TP is very easy. You can TP at any level. The question is, can you get a proper entry? It might take you 2 days to get an entry. It might take you 3 days to get an entry. But some of us as traders, once you open your chart in the morning, your emotion will tell you, say, there is setup. Even where there is no setup, you are seeing it to say no setup here. But your mind will tell you, say, setup here. And that was how the market is doing it. It is not designed that way. There won't be money here. It's designed to always lure you that there is setup. So, by gathering experiences, we understand that it is not every time you open chart, you will see a setup. Just like before I got here yesterday, I call attention to the token I always trade, which is Voxel. I think I called it when I and Jalo P have traded that token before. Jalo P was looking at a stop loss that day, but I still like it. So, yesterday, while I call attention, I found out that this thing said on day level where my POI level. Alright, I have to announce it. Now this is what I'm expecting the price to do. Come back, retest this zone, clear this liquidity at this level. And it took me, I've been on it since 2 days ago. It was yesterday the setup now shoot on it. And I made an entry early this morning. Right? So ensure that you do a rigorous analysis on your setup. And how do you do that? Where is my point of interest? Is it a demand zone or a supply zone? What makes it my point of interest? As price reacted at those levels, what are the imbalances there? Where are the liquidity zones there? The liquidity zone, liquidity zone. Track your liquidity zone, track your demand zone or supply zone, and then get set to make an entry. It will not happen quick. The problem we have is that we want our setup to play on no. You know, we'll give you, okay, let's look at what BTC was doing for the past days. BTC has been ranging for how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 good days. Ranging. And in the course of ranging, a lot of people have been wiped out. You did not understand. That's why we always say a sideways market. It's not easy to trade. No Sabian, no poor body. The poor body says I will always wipe you out. People have been wiped out while riding it up. People have been wiped out while riding it down. Until yesterday candle give us the signal and push to the downward side. So these are levels, things that we should pay attention to. So for you to have an edge over fundamental that could affect your setup, that you need to do a proper analysis. Don't be too in a haste. Don't rush your entry. Ask yourself questions and have answers to those questions. Right? I've also mentioned trade management. Even while you get an entry, manage the trade. All right, you want to take a buy. And basically, we're meant to understand that if we're in an uptrend, let's assume we're in an uptrend. If we're in an uptrend, the market gives us a higher high and a higher low. All right? You now enter, let's say at $1. For example, the price is trading at $1. Your TP zone is $5, right? And the market is in an uptrend. From the point of entry, you might get to some particular level, range at that level, drop from that level to give us a higher low for a continuation to the upward. Now, you now look at it and say, price on the drop, price on the drop, price on the drop. Is that the way to handle trade? No, now. You are in the uptrend. You don't expect price to push past to your entry zone. No, now. If it's like that, all of us would have become extremely big. All of us will be here. But what the market will do, push your retrace down, give us higher low, push up again, break the previous high, break it to the upper side, give us another higher low. And that is how we continue. But you just see a higher low, you just panic out. And once you panic out, market will keep riding in your direction. Why? Because you do not understand the structure of the market. If you understand the structure of the market, you know that, this is what we are calling a higher low. Though on the daily, on the daily of BTC now, except we see a price closes before the high that took us up, which is that low of 117, between 117 and 116. That's when we might say